So today's video is just a quick video on how to use the Reg reader. So there are times where you want to be able to read the registration entries for a particular value. So as long as you can get into your Reg edit function in your machine, you can actually use the WScript.Shell and the Reg read function to be able to actually read a particular piece of that registry. So if I run this, what you'll see is you'll actually see that the value of that comes up, so that if I wanted to code something and I wanted to save this to the OneDrive each time, and I knew everybody had OneDrive, but I didn't know where it was located on the user's machine, this would be a way to use a registry entry to actually be able to extrapolate this. So on your reg entries, just look for the values and then just stick them in here and you'll be able to read those values. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check all my other videos on my page. Have a great day.